Hello and welcome to Dubai, the beautiful town in the desert. Hosting this year's COP conference. As you probably know, the COP conferences annually discuss the problems we have with climate change. Unfortunately, lots of talking, but basically no action. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has gone up and up and up and up every single year. Global temperatures up and up and up every single year. And we know that the problems that causes: fires, floods, tropical storms, crop failures. Something has to be done. So far, nothing's been done at all. Historically, we've had the environmentalists on one side and the petrochemical companies and nations on the other, fighting against each other, basically. But now in COP28 in Dubai, we have a new solution. We're bringing the two sides together. The petro companies now, with all their fantastic technical prowess and expertise, will now make machines that will suck the carbon out of the atmosphere, compress it, and then store it underground. That means we can do what we like. We can fly off our holidays 6 times a year. It doesn't matter anymore. All those emissions will be sucked out of the atmosphere. We can drive the loveliest, biggest SUVs that we can imagine, and it won't matter anymore because the carbon will be sucked out of the atmosphere. This process is called carbon capture and storage. Why would you want to, for example, plant an orchard in your garden? Because those little trees, obviously they will capture carbon, but it's not very much. Don't waste your time on planting an orchard. Spend your money on a decent SUV or a foreign holiday, of course. Why would you bother going to the end of your garden to pick a bag of apples when you can drive your great big car to Tesco's and get some freshly imported apples from Australia or South Africa? And all of those will, of course, be carbon neutral because of carbon capture and storage. It's a win-win situation. The oil companies will capture that carbon dioxide, compress it and store it underground. A bit like this. Look, this is a bottle of Coca-Cola. The fizziness is carbon dioxide. It's there, it's under pressure, and it's capped. And that is the trick. What could possibly go wrong?